Why do some Filipinas use foreigners for green cards? Like they don't really love them, they're just with them for green cards. What are some signs that a Filipina is only using the man and will eventually leave him? Do you feel that it was all planned from the beginning? Like her being in a relationship with a foreigner just to, gain green card. Why do some Filipinas use foreigners for green cards?
For me, it's because po of the opportunity that they get.
What kind of opportunity?
They can live more. They can
What?
be more at ease.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is easy. Unlike here in Philippines, unlike other countries, they're rich. Parang-
They're rich. Okay, here we go. Rich. Well, a lot of Filipinos really think that foreigners are rich, right?
yes po.
Okay, how about including you?
A bit po.
A bit. Okay. Well, she's just being honest. Do you feel that it was all planned from the beginning? Like her being in a relationship with a foreigner just to, gain what do you call this green card, or not just green card, like any residency from other countries.
For me, no po.
How can you say no?
Because some people po really fall in love and have feelings for each other before. It's not just about the green card or the opportunity that they will get to be in a relationship with other.
Men from other countries, foreigners.
Yes po.
Okay, so no.
No po.
What are some signs, okay, that a Filipina is only using the man and will eventually leave him?
Maybe when they get what they wanted to that man, then file a divorce or leave the man. Maybe that's the sign that the woman is only using the foreigner for money or opportunities po.
Okay, divorce him. How about before divorce him? What are some signs that, like she's really using him?
Asking for too much money and parang luho po. Needs more parang
More on wants,
yes.
asking for money to buy what she wants.
Yes po.
Why do some Filipinas use foreigners for green cards?
I think some Filipinas use foreigners as a green card to get out
Or
ay,
for
for green card to get out of poverty.
Mhm.
Especially since yung currency ng ibang bansa is mas mataas sa currency natin. So they can use the money yung money sa ibang bansa and pwede nilang they can give it to their family here in the Philippines.
Okay. So she said that since the currency from other countries is like bigger than the currency here in the Philippines, so they can use it for their family. Aside from poverty, what else?
To get out of the country, especially since the situation here in the Philippines is not really that good, especially since our government is it's bad. And the when the current president was running, he promised a lot of things pero didn't really tupad.
Okay.
Didn't
He never, did it.
Yes, he never really did it. It was all just false hope and promises.
Do you feel that it was all planned from the beginning?
For me, I think no and yes at the same time. Like, some Filipinas don't really see. I wait. Okay, wait. I'll just say yes, tuloy. I'll just say yes, just because some really do want to get out of the Philippines and to really makaalis sa pagkahirapan sa poverty.
To get out from the poverty.
Yes.
This is so much honesty from you. What are some signs that a Filipina is only using the man and will eventually leave him?
I think when she's constantly asking for money
Okay. What else?
and when she doesn't really love the man or doesn't show any affection to the man.
Okay.
Yun.
Those two.
Yes.
Okay. So do you think when the foreigner feels like, oh, she keeps on asking money and then she's not showing love, they should stop the relationship?
I think he should probably first talk to her about what his feeling or experiencing and communicate first before stopping everything.
Anyway, how old are you?
I'm currently 20 years old po.
20 years old, but she's very mature. The way you answer the question, thank you. Thank you so much. Why do some Filipinas use foreigners for green cards? Like they don't really love them, they're just with them for green cards, okay? To get, or not just green cards, but like residency from other countries as well.
I think po one of the reason po why Filipinas use foreigners for green card is that yun nga po is permanent residence po, and also po yung to have a less hassle po when it comes to traveling po to other countries.
For me po, I think the main reason for it is that Filipinas wants to escape the Philippines to live a comfortable life, considering the country's status quo right now, the inflation of the many products. So securing a green card in a foreign country or maybe marrying for rich can secure a comfortable life for them.
And even they don't really love the person, right? They will do everything for that.
Maybe po.
Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Now this one, do you feel that it was all planned from the beginning, like being in a relationship with a foreign, and some of them they even had a baby, and then after they will leave them. Do you feel like it was all planned from the beginning?
I think it was planned because a lot of Filipinas, their backup plan is to marry a foreigner, maybe for money. But I think in time they come to love the guy or the girl. But I think maybe the intention from the start, maybe that, but it can change in the end.
Okay. How about you, Beth?
Same answer po with that.
Do you want to add anything aside from that? Like,
They yes po, along the way po with their relationship po they come to love that person po.
they learn to.
Especially when that guy po treated Filipinas right.
What are some signs that a Filipina is only using that man and will eventually leave him?
I think the first sign is that it's all for money. There's no love. If she doesn't show signs of caring or loving the guy or the woman, and it's all for money, all she asks is for money, then that's the
If she keeps on asking money. Okay. How can you say that she is only using the man and will leave him eventually?
For me lang po one of the sign po is when a Filipina po marry an old man.
Like how old?
I don't really think
like maybe a big age gap, like when the Filipinas is in her 20s and the man is in his late 50s or 60s.
Okay. Is it very common for Filipinas or Filipinos to think that when they see couple like with a large age gap, they're because
it po.
they're just with him because of money or green card?
I think po.
Yes,
Yes.
very common here.
When you see a couple po kasi with a big age gap, the first thing that comes to mind, she's with him for money.
That's very common.
Because you don't know the couple personally, so you can only judge from an outside perspective.
Well, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections